Now I shall start question number 2 of exercise 4.3 of quadratic equations. Now listen the question. Find the roots by applying quadratic formula. The question number 1 and 2 totally same but process are different. In question number 1 the method was completing the square method, and this is the method of quadratic formula. So it is very easy formula. Look here. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Show a equal to 2, that is coefficient of x square. B equal to minus 7, that is coefficient of x. And c equal to 3, the constant term. Here a new thing, d. D always rewrite in capital. D for discriminant. Discriminant equal to b square minus 4ac. Now put the values whatever I have written, minus 7 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. So 49 minus 24 and d equal to 25. So take out root d. Root d equal to root 25, that is 5. Now formula of x. X means roots are. X equal to minus b plus root d by 2a and minus b minus root d by 2a. Now put the values. Minus b is minus 7, so always use bracket here, and plus root d equal to 5. So write here 2 into 2, and because a equal to 2. Now again same thing, only here minus sign. So minus minus plus, 7 plus 5 by 4 and 7 minus 5 by 4. So 12 by 4 and 2 by 4. So roots are 3 and half. Okay. Now another question. 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. Here a equal to 2, coefficient of x square, b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 4. So d equal to b square minus 4ac. 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 4. That is 1 minus minus plus 32. So 1 plus 32, 33. So root d equal to root 33. Only here, because root 33 is not a perfect square number. So you write here root d equal to root 33. Now x equal to, you write the formula minus b plus root under d by 2a and minus b minus root d by 2a. Now put the values. Minus 1 plus root 33 by 2 into 2 and minus 1 minus root 33 by 2 into 2. Now roots are minus 1 plus root 33 by 4 and minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. Okay. Now proceed. Question number 3. 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Here a equal to 4, that is coefficient of x square, b equal to 4 root 3 coefficient of x, and c equal to 3, the constant term. Again same formula, discriminant d equal to b square minus 4ac. So 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 3. So 16, 4 4 is 16 and root 3 3. And minus 48, you multiply this number. So 48 minus 48, 0. When d is 0, then root d is also 0. Then formula you write also x equal to minus b by 2a comma minus b by 2a. Because when d is 0, then roots are same. But I have written here root d, but no need to write root d. So now next line I have not written the root d. So b, the value of b, minus 4 root 3 by 2 into 4 and minus 4 root 3 by 2 into 4. So 4 4 cancel. So roots are minus root 3 by 2 comma minus root 3 by 2. Okay. Now next question. 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. Here also a equal to 2, b equal to 1 and c equal to 4. So d equal to b square minus 4ac. 1 square minus 4 into 2 into 4. 1 minus 32, that is minus 31. Here d is less than 0, so because it is negative, so real roots do not exist. So real root do not exist. Listen here, if D is 0, then roots are equal and real. But when D is greater than 0, then roots are unequal but real. And when D is less than 0, then real roots do not exist. Okay. Now find the roots in the question number 3. Here x minus 1 by x equal to 3. This is not in the form of quadratic. So you make it as quadratic form. Now look here what I have done. You take LCM x. So x square minus 1 equal to 3. Now by cross multiplication x square minus 1 equal to 3 into x 3x. Now you bring 3x in left hand side. X square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Now this is the equation in quadratic form. So you proceed a equal to 1 because here only 1 you write. B equal to minus 3, c equal to minus 1. So take out d equal to b square minus 4ac. Minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. So after calculation we get 9 plus 4, 13. So root d equal to root 13. So x equal to, write the formula, minus b plus root d by 2a minus b minus root d by 2a. So x equal to minus, b is minus, so you keep in bracket, plus root 3 by 2 into 1, and same thing only here minus. So minus minus plus, 3 plus root 13 by 2 are 3 minus root 13 by 2. There are two zeros. You can write is in the same, in this form also. Roots are 3 plus minus because one is plus and other is minus. So I have written here 3 plus minus root 13 by 2. Okay. Now next question. 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 equal to 11 by 30. Now take LCM, x plus 4 into x minus 7. Now divide at first. So x plus 4 will disappear. So x minus 7 you write here, but in bracket also. And here is minus sign and you divide. So x minus 7 cancel. What remains? X plus 4. That should be written here but in bracket, equal to 11 by 30. Now you break the bracket. Show minus plus minus here. Now you multiply the two factors. X square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28, because minus plus minus, equal to 11 by 30. Plus x minus x cancel, and minus 7 minus 4 minus 11. Okay. Now x square minus 3x, because 7 is greater and before 7 there is minus sign, and minus plus minus. So I have subtract here. Minus 28 equal to 11 by 30. 11 cancel. So here only minus 1. So now by cross multiplication, x square minus 3x minus 28 equal to 30 into minus 1 minus 30. And minus 30 come to left hand side as plus 30. So here x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic form equation. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 3, c equal to 2. So take out the value of d by using the formula b square minus 4ac. Minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 2. So 9 minus 8, 1. And root d equal to root 1, that is 1. Now you write the formula of x, minus b plus root d by 2a minus b minus root d by 2a. So minus 3 plus 1 by 2 into 1, and same thing here only minus 1. So minus minus plus, 3 plus 1 by 2 and 3 minus 1 by 2. 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 2 2, and this is 2 by 2 1. So roots are 2 and 1. Okay.